Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatargardens. This is episode 2 of Gardening with No Edits. We're going to be talking about grapevines really quickly here and pruning them. I'm going to show you something quick to look at if you grow grapevines in your area. So right here, there's Lulu. But right here I have all types of grapevines, all different varieties. We'll go this way rather quickly. And what you need to look for, if you know what your variety you have, a spur or a cane pruning variety, that's best. But if you don't know what it is, you always cane prune. Very simply, and not to make people think too much about it, just prune back your grapes. That's the biggest thing. So this grape vine was all the way over here. Just prune it back. You don't want to prune, you really don't want to prune into the old wood. You can see the different bark instead of this the new year, this current year bark. This is the old year bark, and then you go up and there's the new year. You don't want to prune all the way back. You can, but you most likely will not get grapes or as much. A lot of the new grapes are going to come from this stuff here, right here, these buds that are coming out. That's where the grapes are going to come out of, the new leaves and then the grapes. But all varieties are a little different, so just prune back a third of the grapevines. And especially if you didn't prune much, you better prune a lot back. And also, if you look at the base, now unfortunately this grew out then up. I like to grow things straight up, but if you see, it's really crowded. I have all these grapevines going up, and then one of them I trained to go this way, but I also trained this to go this way. So you can see all this clutter. This is going to be a big problem when the leaves start growing out. You're going to have earwig problems, fungal problems, white flies, and everything like that. You need to, and you're going to have to prune heavily when the spring and summer come around. You're going to have to thin things out because it's too crowded. So the best thing to do is really to have one, maybe two vines, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the same area. That's just way too dense, and you're going to get big problems. Happy gardening, everyone.